Hello friends, welcome to our channel organized by Darci. I am so excited that you're here today. Let's tour this bathroom, which is just decluttered, clean, and organized. And I'll show you the steps that I followed in getting this place looking the way it is right now. The focus today was certainly on decluttering under the sink, and I'll show you what I did on both sides of the sinks, the two sinks, to declutter and organize the way they both are right now. Hello friends, welcome to the series on decluttering, cleaning, and organizing bathrooms for January 2021. Today we're actually in the month of February, but I'm continuing the series because there's one last bathroom that I'm doing, and this is our master bathroom. So let me take you along with me as I show you what I've done so far and what I plan to do today. Now the main focus today is on underneath the bathroom sinks. Now there are two areas or two sink areas that I'm going to be cleaning today, and this is the first one. I'm going to be taking everything out, putting everything on the floor, and reorganizing everything. This is under the second one. Now it looks a little bit crowded, but hopefully when it's all done it will be just beautiful. So let me go ahead and get started first with sink number one, then sink number two, and then the next area that I've done already, but just wanted to share with you what I've done, is the toilet room. So I'm giving myself exactly an hour to clean and organize this bathroom. This is the little toilet room, which I've already done, but just as a real recap, what I did here was I went to Home Depot and purchased this zip that they assured me I would be able to use to clean all the stains from the toilet bowl. So I've already used it. It looks pretty good, and so all I did was I got an old can and some brushes and stuff, and got the water out and poured that in and let it wait for 5-10 minutes, and then I scrubbed, and of course it looks really good. So, but I'm not going to be showing that because we're going to focus more today on cleaning out these two areas and the counter as well. So the first thing that I did was I took everything out from under the sink here. I wiped it down and then I lined it with this liner that I had gotten. I had just had extra liners here, so I went ahead and just cut another piece, and here it is, all clean. The second shelf here, I still have things on there, but that's something that in the last week I just purchased 2 pieces of wood from Home Depot, and I measured it first of all, and then went there and they were able to cut the wood for me, and then I came back and put that up myself. So that is what the second shelf is, and we're going to use that shelf to put things that are usually on the counter. We'll use that shelf to put those things. So I got some baskets I already had that we can put whatever is on the counter in, and then we can just put them after we've used them in the mornings or at night. We just put it back underneath here so the counter stays clean and nice. I took everything out from under number 2 sink and cleaned and relined the counter area here, but it doesn't look as organized as it should be, and so when I compare it to the first one here, seems a little bit more uniform here. So what I did was I went to TJ Maxx, just got back from TJ Maxx. I got 3 baskets to put underneath put the things in it to give it a more uniform look. So let me go ahead and do that, and then we'll just look at the after effects in just a few more minutes. This is what the sink, number 2 sink, looks like under the sink. That is, I have the 3 new baskets that I purchased at TJ Maxx today. One has all the personal care items, extra lotions and deodorants that we have. One has all the straightening combs or blow dryers, anything to do with the hair care. And this one on my side has extra deodorants and lotions. Of course, we have some extra soaps there, some washcloths, and napkins there. So this is my side that I've organized. This is my husband's side, which looks a little bit more masculine, but I'm sure he prefers that than all the baskets, the feminine baskets that I have. But I do like how everything came out. This is the sink area here on my husband's side. There's nothing other than just the extra lotions that we keep up there. A plant, of course. And my side of the sink, I just have just the basic there. So we move over to the makeup section here, and I keep most of my makeup in the drawers or in this little box here. So everything is really accessible, easy for cleanup in the mornings or at night, and so much more to appreciate in this bathroom as opposed to all the things that we had scattered all over. We'll take a look into this little area here, which is also organized. So the entire bathroom is clean and organized. This is the final part to the bathroom series for the month of January and February, because we're actually, today's the 4th of February. This is my yoga mat, and I practice yoga here in this bathroom once per week with some ladies in our neighborhood, and we just do that on Zoom. So I keep the mat in here because it has the, it's easy for me to have the huge mirror here that I can look through when I'm trying to do some of those yoga poses that I have no clue sometimes what I'm doing. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to subscribe to this channel. That is, if you have not already done so. And don't forget, I hope I've motivated you to clean and organize your bathroom. For the last month I've been doing that. I am certain I have been highly motivated to clean mine, and I'm so glad that I did. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next Friday. We'll be doing a brand new series. It's all going to be the kitchen reorganization, but it's one that I'm really looking forward to. Just as I did the bathrooms here, I'm going to be doing the kitchen, and I'm really excited about that.